morning po.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Riza.
Hi, Raisa May. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm also fine.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Denmark. Maintindihan na ako ng Tagalog mo konti.
Oh, are you foreigner?
Opo.
Oh, where is Denmark?
It's in Europe. It's
Oh,
cold out
Europe.
there.
Oh, so why are you here?
I'm only here for a vacation with my mom and my dad.
Where's your mom and your dad?
They're sitting over there waving their hands.
Oh, hi, mom and dad. Hi. Your dad is foreigner.
Yeah.
Your mom is Filipino.
Opo.
Oh, you're half. Half Filipino, half Denmark.
Opo.
What do you call people from Denmark?
They're called Danish.
Oh, Danish.
Yeah.
So you're Danish.
Yeah, I am. I'm born in Denmark, so I've been there for all of my life. I've been there for...
Tell me more about Denmark. I don't know anything about Denmark.
Well, Denmark, it's a cold place, but usually they are very friendly and kindly to people that are coming to visit them. But it's near Germany or France, Sweden.
Oh,
From
Germany.
here, it's kind of 24 hours from here by plane.
24 hours?
Yeah.
My plane? It's too far.
But you're very nice. I'm glad to be here.
Me too. I'm glad you're here.
Thank you for inviting me.
Marunong ka po mag-Tagalog?
Opo, konti.
Alam niyo po yung maganda umaga. Say it in Tagalog.
Magandang umaga.
Sa Denmark po paano?
Godmorgen alle sammen.
Kumor Elsam. Kumor Elsam. Paano naman po yung mahal kita?
Jeg elsker dig.
Mabagal po.
Jeg
Lai,
elsker
Ilska,
dig.
Tay.
Very good, very good.
Guy, Ilska, Day.
Okay lang yan.
Bongga, Kaday. Parang ganon. Lai, Ilska, Day. Ayun, tatandaan ko po yan. Pag pumunta po ka ng Denmark, gagamitin ko yan. Lahat ng bago sasabihin ko, Guy, Ilska, Day. Kuya, ano po pangalan niyo pala?
Sorry?
Ano pong pangalan niyo? What's your name?
Christopher.
Christopher. Okay, Kuya Christopher. You want to play?
Opo.
Okay, let's play. Picture. Ano?
Picture po.
Okay, thank you po. Saan po kayo nakatira dito?
Sa Bulacan, Baliwag.
Kailan po kayo uuwi?
Sa March 30.
Matagal pa. Okay, bunot na po kayo. Ayan. Ito po, sasabihin niyo lang po kung anong trabaho ito. 1, 2, 3. Tadadaan! Anong trabaho po ito?
Teacher.
Ako, ano po? Teacher. Sa Tagalog po yan ay guro. Ayan. Tama po si Kuya. Meron po kayong ng Riza May Mag Plus 2,000 pesos. Meron pa po kayong sugar juice, sugar apple.
you.